Assalamualaikum sixth class. Today we are going to do application sick leave. Okay. Today is your diary application sick leave. Kindly note down quickly. Sick leave is your diary today. Please note down. And if you have a grammar book, Chishti, please open the page number 132. 132 page number from your grammar book. Page number 132. Application to the principal for sick leave. Okay. Those students who don't have this book, I know I write the application on the board. You must note down on your copies. Okay. Okay. So firstly, start the principal. Okay. This is suppose this is your margin line, and you have to write with the line. The principal. And principal P is a capital. Principal. Then comma. The principal White Rose School System, comma. The principal White Rose School System, and please student write full name of your school. Don't write like this W.R.S.S. This is not seeing good. Okay, please write like this. The principal White Rose School System, Faisalabad. Faisalabad and full stop. Sir, comma, most respectfully, मोतबाना ये मोतबाना गुजारिश है, I beg to say that, okay, I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ, because this is sick leave application, so I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ. 1 second. Okay. Most respectfully, I beg to say that I am ill. And I am too weak to walk. और मैं चलने से कासिर हूँ, मैं चल नहीं सकता, मैं इतना कमजोर हूँ कि मैं चल भी नहीं सकता. I am too weak to walk. I cannot. Next line. I cannot come to school. I cannot come to school. इस वजह से मैं स्कूल हाजिर नहीं हो सकता. Yes, you must write this application on English copy, English B copy. I cannot come to school. मैं स्कूल हाजिर नहीं हो सकता या नहीं आ सकती. Next line. Kindly grant. Kindly मेहरबानी करके grant अनायत फरमाएं. Grant means अनायत. Kindly मेहरबानी. Kindly grant me लीव फॉर 1 day। मेहरबानी करके मुझे एक दिन की रुखसत अनायत फरमाए या एक दिन की मुझे छुट्टी दीजिए। लास्ट लाइन, I shall be very thankful to you। thankful शुक्रगुजार। I shall be very thankful to you, मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुजार होऊंगा। Yours, and you also write yours obediently with margin line, okay? Yours, and don't put apostrophe, don't put commas because this is now wrong, okay? It's wrong. Yours, simply write as yours, capital O, obediently, then comma, and write your own name. Means, for example, your name is Aisha, so you can write your name like Fatima, you write Ahmad, ठीक है? जो भी आपका नाम है आप वो राइट करोगे। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई नेम इज इफ्रा, सो आई राइट दिस योर्स ओबीडियंटली इफ्रा। ओके, दैट्स ऑल। लास्ट पे डेट मेंशन करेंगे, डेट like today is 30, so we write April 30 2021 like this, and this is the end of your application. Okay, I repeat this application once again. If you have any mistake, you must correct this. The principal PRINCIPAL, the principal, comma, White Rose School System. Please write the full spelling of your school, White Rose School System, comma, Faistabad. Okay, after the Faistabad, you must put full stop. Then, sir, you can also write madam, then comma. Most respectfully, I beg to say that कि मौजूदा गुजारिश है कि मैं आपसे गुजारिश है that कि I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ। I am too बहुत, to means here बहुत, weak कमजोर। I am too weak to walk, मैं चलने में कमजोरी महसूस कर रहा हूँ या मैं बहुत कमजोर हो गया हूँ, इतना कमजोर कि मैं चल भी नहीं सकता। I cannot come to school, और मैं स्कूल हाजिर नहीं हो सकता या स्कूल आ नहीं सकता। काइंडली मीन्स मेहरबानी, ग्रांट अनायत फरमाए, मेहरबानी करके अनायत फरमाए। मी लीव फॉर 1 day, मेहरबानी करके मुझे एक दिन की रुखसत अनायत फरमाए। I shall be very thankful to you, मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुजार होऊंगा या होंगी। Yours obediently, you write your own name like this, I write my own name Ifra। Then last पे आपने date mention करनी है। Firstly you write month name like April, then date, today is 30, April 30, comma, and last पे year mention करना है 2021। Okay, so quickly, if Allah Hafiz.